Hello and welcome everybody. Thanks for joining in to another episode of Creating a Game with Godot. It's Friday again and I hope you are excited as I am for the weekend and finally have some free time after a week of a lot of work and video making. I started with unit testing this week and made also a tutorial video about unit testing in Godot. So if you haven't already and you are interested in unit testing in general, or with Godot especially, please make sure to check out my latest video with the Godot tutorial unit testing with Godot. So let us move on to the game scene.
As you noticed, they already changed a lot in the scene again. So we have other trees for now with our old wind shader, which is working quite nice so far. And of course we have another landscape. We are currently working on that. The color, the layout and the shape will be reworked, and it's not the final version, just to mention it. Also, we don't like the third layer in here. It's just a development state for now, but it's enough to show you what I did. As you may hear, I added a backing track. It's the original music from the original game, and it creates more atmosphere when I'm developing the game, so I added a sound. Now, as I showed it to you, I will mute it for now, because I have the feeling my voice is otherwise overblended. So I guess my most important feature of this week is the AI I implemented. So we can switch to the other sector now, and as you can already see, the AI is researching and advancing to the third epoch already. The AI is also capable of defending his towers already. As you can see, he has placed 4 defenders on top of his towers. For now it's missing that he also takes the higher inventions and updates his towers, so it's a basic first version of the AI. But as you can see, he's already capable of defending and researching through the epochs. Also, another cool thing is, if I try to attack the AI with some people, he is also capable of defending those. And as you have seen, he also replaces a missing defender. There are different strategies involved for the AI. For now, he is only executing the defending strategy, which actually means he defends his tower and just researching through the epochs. But I already made some thoughts about how the AI should work in future. So I defined some kind of 4 different strategies for the AI. One is a balanced game style where the AI tries to defend himself and researches, and also conquer some sectors and maybe attacking the enemy at a point where he is safe enough. Another strategy would be a rushing strategy. I already implemented that, so I would like to show you in a new game how the rushing strategy would look. So as you can see, we are shortly in the game. It's just like 10 seconds. So we are shortly in the game and the AI is already rushing us with his few units he already made so fast and early. We try to defend that. Otherwise we would die here. You can see my health bar goes quite low. But I defended that attack. So yeah, the AI is capable of rushing. As I said, there are also 2 other strategies. One strategy would be a more like invention heavy style, and another one would be a more defending style where the AI is doing everything in focus of defending, and on the other strategy in focus of researching and reaching the highest technology and attacking afterwards. Yeah, I started with the AI this week, and as you have seen, the AI is capable of defending, sending out troops, rushing and researching. There are some parts left. For example, he isn't capable now of mining his resources, so he won't be able to get out a third epoch invention, because he would need to gather resources for that. So the next step is to learn the AI that he should also gather his resources to reach advanced technologies. And another thing which would be added later is, if we have more than just 2 islands, there would be of course some islands where no sector is yet, and the AI should also be capable of conquering sectors which are empty. Yeah, another things I added was the sounds you may have heard about this in the scenes. I added some sound effects for attacking, dying, spawning and stuff like that. So these are all the first basic sounds, and I'm not quite happy with the sounds at all, but I wanted to test how the sound effects should work and how they would build up the atmosphere. So I'm working on that and improving the sound quality and also the music quality. I'm not sure in which direction it will be going, but within the next week we will have some better results there. Also with the landscape, as I said, it's currently under development and we are changing some stuff. The trees are already changed. We have also some new rock models I have to implement. The buildings have changed a bit, so as you may notice, the banner has a different wind shader as the tree has, and also the shape was a bit changed. And yeah, so we are working on a lot of stuff at the moment. I hope I covered all the things we did in the last weeks. Just to give you a small outlook, until I'm very happy with the AI, so I have added 1 or 2 more things, I will release a new version with the sound effects and the music and the AI, so the game would be more interesting for you guys. And of course, if you already had downloaded the old version, it will notifies you when a new version is up. And of course, there will also a lot more changes to talk about in the next week. So I hope to see you in the next week again on the next Friday, when it's again time for our small video log. Please don't forget to comment below and upvote the video if you like it, and share your feedback and thoughts about everything. Bye!